Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Gourmet's Delight by Faiza. And today I'm going to teach you how to make sweet corn chicken soup. So let's get started. Into a pesto mortar, I'm going to add around 4 cloves of garlic, around half teaspoon of peppercorns. I have taken around 1 liter of water. Into this I'm going to add quarters of half carrot. I have chopped half carrot into quarters. I'm going to add this. And quarters of 1 medium onion. And now I'm going to add the crushed garlic and black peppercorn. And lastly, quarter kilo of chicken with bones. So once this is done, you can also store this and you can reuse it. So this is my chicken stock. It's boiling. Into this I'm going to add around half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to boil this until it reduces it to 3/4 of its quantity. I have around 3/4 cup of corn kernels, the sweet corn kernels, and I'm now going to add it into a jar. And I'm going to grind this coarsely. In a wok, I'm going to add around 1 tablespoon butter, 3/4 cup of corn kernels, and also the coarsely ground paste of corn. And now the leftover chicken from the chicken stock, I shredded it and I added it into the. And now I'm going to stir this well, and I'm going to add the stock directly as I'm using the whole stock. And into this, to make it little more thicker, I am adding a corn slurry, 2 tablespoon corn flour and water. Stir it well. Half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 2 teaspoon sugar, and I have beaten 2 eggs, and I'm going to add it and continue stirring it. As I'm adding it, I'm stirring it. So my soup is almost done. I'm going to cook this for around 2 more minutes and I'm going to turn off the flame. So this is almost done. So this is my sweet corn chicken soup. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends and family.